Hello everyone. Today I'd like to demonstrate how we do RFID in Anytime Assets. Simply what we're going to do is we're going to issue tools from a tool crib and then subsequently do a transaction to return those tools back to the tool crib. Let me give you a background here. We have this white device there is an RFID antenna, and that's actually where the tags would be read from. Also set up some tags. I have a employee badge tag that's RFID capable, and I also have a tail number tag that is a tail number related to an aircraft. Additionally, I have several tags that I've set up that are representative of various assets in our demo software. And so those are the tags that we will use today for the transaction. So simply, the way this works would be this RFID reader is typically mounted over the doorway of, let's say, a tool crib. We would have the actual terminal device mounted at the doorway itself. You would see the screen here. The Anytime Asset software would be running on that, of course, over the internet. The operator here, in this case, we're going to take tools out of the tool crib. So we have a transaction called issue asset from crib. The operator would walk up to that, simply click on the issue assets from crib option. Now they would be standing there in front of the terminal, so they would have their badge and the tail number tags present as well, so we would immediately read those. So they would get to this point where we would record those, then be prompting for the assets that they're going to use. So that at this point, they would then walk into the tool crib, gather the assets that they needed, and then they would walk through the doorway with all those assets, the ones that we had previously shown. And you'll see now all those assets, there were 7 of them that were recorded as they walked through the doorway. They would simply hit process, and literally that's what it takes to transact all of those assets out of the tool crib. So now they want to return those assets back to the tool crib. This process is even easier. All we need to do is record the assets themselves. So they're going to go to the return assets to tool crib transaction. And then they're going to simply walk through the doorway with, again, all of these assets, ones that had previously taken, and now they're recorded as return back to the tool crib as soon as I hit process here. As you can see, we took 7 tools out of the tool crib and returned them back to the tool crib without ever having to do a single keystroke. It's literally that simple to do RFID in Anytime Asset.